What's up, hackers? Welcome back to CTF Tricks, your go-to spot for breaking down the most complex hacks into simple wins. Today we will be dealing with Advent of Cyber, Day 17 Sidequest. This is the Sidequest 3, that is the third Sidequest of Advent of Cyber 2025, hosted by Tryhackme. And if you want a complete tutorial of the entire walkthrough of the 17th day lab, that is on CyberChef, so you can refer to the previous video. I'll link it down in the description. And for this video, we will be solving this side quest number third. So let's dive right in. So looking for the key to side quest 3, Hopper has left his CyberChef link as a lead. See if you can recover the key and access the corresponding challenge in our side quest hub. So this is the link that Hopper had left. So on right hand side we see like Hopper managed to use CyberChef to scramble the Easter egg key image. He used this very recipe to do that. The scrambled version of the egg can be downloaded from this link. Reverse the algorithm to get it back. So it's pretty straightforward. We need to just reverse the algorithm, the order of the algorithms, and to find the key. So just go to this grayscale image, right click, save image as, and download it as a PNG file itself. Remember, don't change the format from PNG to anything else. Let's keep it in PNG, and you can change the name though. Like I have kept it as test.png, and download the image. So I have already downloaded it. So let's dive right in. So as you can see over here, the entire series of operations are like, first it has been converted to base64, then they have added a label, then they have done a rot13, they have done a split, they have done a jump, they have done a fork, they have done a zlib deflate, then a zor, then to base32, then they have merged it, and then they have generated an image. So we need to do an opposite of that. So what we will be doing is, for the generate image part of the section, we will be using some tools like ffmpeg or Python or some other tool that from which we can extract the binary from the image. But after that, let's start to form our solution that is our recipe from this merge. So the opposite of merge is fork. So the first thing that we want to do in the binary that we get from this image, that is our target image, is we want to do a fork. Then we will be doing it to like from base 62 or base 32, we will be converting it back, because they had converted, like Hopper had converted it to base 32. So we will be converting it from base 32. Then we will be performing a XOR operation on it, and then we will be using a zlib inflate, because Hopper had done a zlib deflate. So remember, we just need to do the opposite of what Hopper had done. So as Hopper had done, after that a fork, we will be doing a merge. Then similarly, if he has done rot13, we will be doing a rot13 as well. And he has done a to base 64, so we will be doing from base 64. So after doing all those operations, we come to this following recipe, like fork from base 32, XOR, zlib inflate, merge all, like, and rot13. And remember the amount over here, as you can see, you just need to find the corresponding amount for the rot13 cipher and use it accordingly. You can do your experiments on what number is opposite of what number, so that like we get the reversals. 19 is the reversal of 17, so sorry, 7. So I have used that. Over here you see again jump, then from base 64, and then finally we do a render image. So let's go back to the first step, that is we need to get the binaries from the image that we just downloaded. So in order to do that, you can either use Python and use this particular code. This is a whole code that I have restricted within a single line kind of thing. So Python 3-c, and then from PIL import image, then in the next line you will do open output.bin and write it, and write binary, like if it is not present it will create that. It doesn't matter, like if output.bin is not there, Python will create it, and it will write as a binary, and we will be opening the test.png, that is our target image, and we will be converting it, and finally it will be converted to bytes, and write the entire byte stream that we get from this code to this output.bin. So that's what this entire Python code will be doing. So let's run it. And once we run it, we get this output.bin, which has this binaries, which looks like some base 32. Oh, okay. So these are like base 32 files, because like base 32 has just capital letters and numbers. This has capital letters and numbers itself. Like if it had been base 64, it would have been small letter alphabets as well. So without any further delay, we got the binary. I'll just load the binary in the recipe that we created. I'll click on the top right hand side, I'll click open file as input, and I'll select the output.bin that we just created. And here you see it has processed the entire thing, and finally we got the image, that is one Hopper army. This is the image that it generated back, and this is how you can solve the side quest number 3 for D number 17. So that would be it for today, this video. I'll link the videos for the second side quest and the first side quest in the description. So make sure you watch those out if you want to solve the second and first side quests. So until next time, keep hacking, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.